What if a young man becomes the owner of a kingdom with his intelligence? And can you imagine that the young man can change his fate with the help of a magical book and 3 riddles? Today we will tell you a story that has courage, wisdom and a mysterious challenge. In this story, Lokesh, a boy from a small village, who despite being poor, reaches a palace with his amazing intelligence and accepts the challenge of a king to solve 3 magical riddles. Will Lokesh be able to win this challenge? Find out in this exciting story. Many years ago, there was a beautiful and quiet village known as Sukhpur. In that village lived a young boy named Lokesh. He was poor, but very smart and courageous. He lived with his mother in a small hut and was loved by everyone in the village because of his intelligence. One day the news spread in the village that the king of the neighboring kingdom has made a strange announcement. The king announced that whoever answers his 3 difficult riddles correctly will not only get a lot of wealth but also half the kingdom. However, whoever gives the wrong answer will have to lose his life. Lokesh, on hearing this challenge, said, "If my intelligence is correct, I will definitely accept this challenge." His mother got scared and said, "Son, the king's riddles are very difficult. If you lose, I will lose you." Lokesh consoled his mother and set out towards the palace with the blessings of the villagers. When Lokesh reached the palace, he saw that there was a magical glow around the palace. An old gatekeeper stopped him and said, "Young man, the king's riddles are not ordinary. They are taken from a magical book, which only the smartest person can understand." Lokesh smiled and said, "If honest effort does not bring victory, at least there will be no sorrow of defeat." The gatekeeper let him in. The king saw him and said, "Welcome, young man. If you answer my 3 riddles correctly, your fortunes will change." The king asked, "What is that thing which grows the more you take?" Lokesh thought for a while and said smilingly, "O king, that thing is knowledge. The more you share it, the more it grows." The king clapped his hands and said, "Very good. Correct answer." Now the king asked the second riddle, "What is that creature which walks on 4 legs in the morning, on 2 legs in the afternoon and on 3 legs in the evening?" Lokesh immediately answered, "It is man. In childhood he walks on hands and feet, on 2 legs in youth and takes the support of a stick in old age." A smile came on the king's face and he said, "You are really very clever." Before asking the third riddle, the king gestured to his minister. The minister took out the magic book, and the book began to speak by itself. "The third riddle will not be easy. This is a magic riddle. Think and understand. What is it that the bigger it is, the lighter it feels?" Kesh closed his eyes and thought carefully. After a few moments, he answered, "It is an air balloon. The bigger it is, the lighter it feels." The king and the minister clapped loudly. The king said, "You have answered all my 3 riddles correctly. Now you are entitled to half of this kingdom and immense wealth." Lokesh said politely, "Rajan, I do not want a part of the kingdom. I only want to take some wealth and happiness to my village Sukhpur." The king was impressed by his humility and intelligence. He sent Lokesh off with a lot of wealth and respect. From this story we learn that any difficulty can be overcome with the power of courage, intelligence and humility.